Hello guys, welcome to another very brief technology moment where we want to share with you the experience using this fantastic super compact yet very powerful switch, the Unifi Flex 2.5 gigabit per second power over Ethernet switch. First of all, we used it to deploy this Unifi 7 Pro access point solution, which we found to be extraordinary. One of the things that most caught our attention about this switch was its 10 gigabit per second uplink port, either through copper or its SFP plus port, allowing us to install any fiber optic module that we want, giving us of course the ability to place this access point at extraordinary distances. By the way, a 2.5 gigabit per second 8-port switch, a perfect match for this type of access points. Each of the ports of this switch is capable of providing up to 2.5 gigabit per second through these ports, along with the extraordinary ability to provide also PoE++ through all of them. Not only that, but something that we really liked is the ability for this switch to connect upstream our network to another switch or PoE injector capable of providing Class 4 or Type 4 PoE. This at 100 watts of power. With the adapter that the brand can provide, you can squeeze the power of this switch at almost 200 watts. Of course, this combining all its ports. This makes it a very interesting option with 9 ports, 8 2.5 gigabit per second ports, and the upstream 10 gigabit per second port that we can choose to connect to another network switch, to our internal data storage service at 10 gigabit per second, or whatever other device that can provide such speed. That is truly extraordinary and at what we thought is a very reasonable price. Something very important to keep in mind for those looking to purchase one of these wonderful switches is that it does not include the 54-volt adapter, which, if you're like me, you do not expect that when buying a switch. It supports an output of up to 64 watts per single port, and if we use its AC adapter, we can have a total of up to 196 watts of power. Of course, if we use the 210 watt power adapter that the brand can provide. This is very important for those of you planning more robust deployments using all of its ports at a higher power over Ethernet rating. We're really happy having tested this solution. We got extraordinary performance from the Unifi Pro access points, and its 10 gigabit per second uplink makes it an extraordinary solution for fast Wi-Fi 7 deployments where there's a concentration of up to 10 gigabit per second of converged output. VLANs, port isolation, and the network controller zone statistics makes it a very interesting solution, whether you want to implement it alone or in conjunction with this great access point. Okay guys, as always, don't miss out on some of our technology moments. We hope that this very short video was as informative as you expected. Thanks for watching and see you next time.